Cambridge Audio A5. Let's test the amplifier, how much power it can do at 4 ohms, 6 ohms and 8 ohms load. I got it connected to the 8 ohms resistor here. We also have our 4 ohms here, and have our 6 ohm resistors here. You have 230 volts input to the amplifier, 50 Hz. I got 2 amperes current limit here. And we got our scope connected there to measure our peak-to-peak output. We have our audio gen here. So we're going to increase the output of the amplifier just before clipping. Okay, it's clipping now. Just to back it out a little bit. Okay, that's about it. 60 what? 66. And that's about 64 volts. 64 to 60. So we got 1 kilohertz. Let's set it. Let's give it a little bit. And that's about the best. I can set this signal gen here to 1 kilohertz. It's about 64 volts. 64 volts at 8 ohms load. We have at the distortion at 0.4%. Okay, we're here at 1% range. 1% range, so that one there is about 1%. That's 0.09, 0.08, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5. So that's about 0.04% distortion. So we have about 64 volts output at 8 ohms load. The 6 ohms resistor is now connected. I've opened up the case and had a fan here blowing the heat away because the amplifier is making a lot of heat. Currently that's our output there, 11.2 volts something. Now we're gonna increase the output until before clipping. 6 ohms load. $40. $55. Now 62. Okay, we had a bit of clipping now, so I'm just going to back it down a little bit. And that's about it. volts, 64.4. Okay, so that's about our distortion then. About 0.06%. It's hovering about from 0.05 to 0.06. Put voltage. So with the case open and with the fan helping the heatsink dissipate the heat. So it's just warm to the touch with the fan, but without the fan, if I turn off the fan, this will be very hot. It's 4 ohms load. 4 ohms load. 4 ohms load is now connected. Okay, that's clipping. It's clipping now at 60.8 volts. Okay, that's before clipping, about 58 volts. That's jumping between 57 to 58 volts. 58 volts. 58 volts there. Let's see our distortion. It's hovering between 0.04 to 0.05. That's the Cambridge Audio A5 power test, 4 ohms, 6 ohms and 8 ohms load. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like or dislike, See you next time. Okay, that's the temperature of the heatsink. That is with the case open and the fan helping the blowing the heat away. So this amplifier definitely will not be able to perform at full power at 4 ohms load without the help of a fan.